today's video is about some things I made out of clay and cement. So let's begin! So, these were the things I made. So, this is a motor and pestle. This is the stack. This is a fruit tray with some tiny fruits like pineapple, cherry, apple, and banana. And I also made a ghost, and it sort of looks like a cactus too, but it's a ghost. And this thing, which has a design, so like it has a pattern, like it goes like that and then like that, which is really cool. Made these by this clay from Das, which is made in Italy. This was a 1 kg package, and we have used half a kilo in all these four. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 things we made, and we've only used half a kilo. And guys, these are just things we made from cement. So these are homemade. All the things on this table are homemade. I'll be covering these in another video. But for now, this is about clay, and this clay we use. If you can see. So for all the techniques I used to make these things, so first I'll start with this one. So the thing I did was, like, I made it into a round ball and then used the pinch technique, which was put your thumb into it. So like when you had a round ball, put your thumb into it and started pinching it outwards. So it would create a shape like this. And for this pressure, like the thing that you do like this with, made a round ball and then rolled it into a fat wormy shape, so we can crush it with. And for the decoration for this, we just made a round ball, pinched it outward so it looks like a nose. We made some really flat worms, put them there for 2 eyes, and then we just made this with a knife, craft knife, or any tool you have that is sharp. You can make it with that, and we just put some ears and some earrings, so it looked like you can hold it up like this. And like you can't even keep like this. It's not settling right now, but it used to settle. Oh yes, now it's settled like that, and like you can put it like this, and it looks so good. For this tray, I rolled it a big circle with the rolling pin, cut out a shape with the cap, and then I just rolled a big worm. So this is the coiling technique, and I put it around it, and then I made 2 handles and put them on top of this, so they are stuck to this. And for the banana, just make a worm and then like turn it into a curve shape, like a smile. That's for the banana. will be doing another video painting these and giving you a tutorial to make one of these. So that's what I'm gonna do in another video. So that's gonna be part 2 for the clay pot.
Now it's fun time! So today has 2 fun facts. So the first fun fact is that terracotta clay is the word borrowed from Italian. In Italian, it means baked earth because terra means earth and cotta means baked. So it is borrowed from Italian and it means baked earth. So the second fun fact for today is that United States of America uses the most clay in the whole world, and it uses 37.6 million tons of clay each year. So guys, that was the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel so you can get notifications when I upload a new video, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye!